So I'm going to show you why I day traded SBFM today. So this has been running for a week or so, as you can see, and today it crashed. It crashed hard from 12.45 all the way down to about 5.73 a share. So it comes down basically to Newton's third law. Every action will have an equal reaction. Um, so basically, a stock can't just keep going down. Eventually, it's going to have a reaction and come back up. And as you can see, it did right here. It went from about 570 up to 676, and that's a big move. You make a good percentage, a lot of money on that. So dip buys are tough, and basically you want to buy them around areas of strong support. So this is why I took it. So it was dropping, and around here, people got in, as you can see the volume, but that's too early for me because yeah, there's support right here, but the strongest support was down here around the 560s, 660s area. So as you can see, it was trying to break through this area and kept rejecting. It was trying to break through right here and kept rejecting. So right here is a key level. And then when it finally broke through, it started breaking out. So I was actually trading this area. So I remembered that it had trouble breaking through this level. It had really hard resistance. So when resistance is broken, it turns into support. And as you can see, it broke and now it's holding support here and then it ran up. So basically, I knew if it reached down to this level, it was going to be very hard to break through because on the flip side before, it was very hard to break through up of it. So now it's going to be very hard to break through down below it because broken resistance turns into support. So I was waiting for it to get down to around this level. And when it finally did, I bought in and it came up for a pop. There's actually a few opportunities, so let me scroll in to show you guys. All right, so here it is, the morning panic. Boom, 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 and right here is very strong resistance that it broke through, turn support. So I was waiting for it to get to around this area. And so I started buying in right here. And I could have sold for, there was money to be made there. Um, but I actually held because this still could run a lot higher, but you got to take your profits quick. I mean, a swing trade, you could hold longer and it might get back up to here. We'll see. I'll be looking end of the day to see how it's holding, and I might swing overnight. But then it dropped more, so I averaged down, and I actually sold on this pop right here. Um, so I basically averaged down to around 630, and I sold at like $7. So you do the math. That's about. Let's do the calculations. 70-cent gain divided by a purchase price of 630. So it's 11% gain. That's awesome. That's I'm usually just shooting for 10 to 30% gains. I'm not looking for anything huge. That's all you need to build wealth. So then it came down later, and you can see volume started to pick up. I wasn't watching though. I was like, all right, I made my 11%. I'm done for the day. But if I was watching, I would have hopped in right here and rode 650 up to 735. That was actually the better move with confirming volume. But hey, it happens. So I'm still watching this. End of the day, I'm watching to see if it can get back up to this area or this area. I might swing overnight. It depends. We'll see at the end of the day. But Yeah, guys, you want to buy on areas of strong support. If it had trouble breaking through that area last week, it's gonna hold that area pretty well, most likely. Um, you use support and resistance as to protect yourself. So see right here, had trouble breaking through at that 667 area, came back down, then finally broke through. Let's go to the 1 minute just to show you guys very closely. So started panicking. Boom, I wasn't buying in yet. See, this is a good area though. This is around where it was holding. That's a good move right there. This was the bottom right here. Um, so yeah, guys, that's basically it. You got to look at the history. You got to look at the history and look at key levels of support and resistance. I had played it, so I knew very well about this stock, where the strong levels were, and where people would want to buy in. I was playing right here. I got faked out. It rejected. And then when it came through right here, I went back into the play. So I knew that this was a key area right here, around 650. And this is also a key area, 562, because it had trouble breaking through here as well. So, and look, it obeyed it right there perfectly. And there was money to be made if you got in here too. These quick pops, easy 10, 20%. Just all about timing, guys. All right. I'll see you on my next video. Follow my TikTok. I have a lot of very informative videos in there for free. All right, guys.